Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, taking a screenshot without using button can be more convenient, especially in situations where physical buttons are hard to reach or not easily accessible. So, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, please open Settings menu on your device. Well, after that here you can scroll down and select Accessibility option. Well, and on this page, press on Interaction and Dexterity menu. So activate Assistant menu by pressing this button. Click Allow. Well, after that tap on Assistant menu icon here, and then you can press on Screenshot option to take a screenshot without button. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.